Have you ever stood in front of your bathroom mirror, looking at your skin and wondering if there's a more natural, affordable way to get that healthy glow without spending a fortune on fancy creams? Let me tell you something that might surprise you. The answer could be sitting right in your kitchen cabinet. Yes, I'm talking about honey. Now, before you think, wait, honey? The stuff I drizzle on toast? Hear me out. Honey isn't just a sweet treat. For centuries, people have used honey as a skincare remedy, and modern science is actually backing it up. This sticky golden liquid is packed with natural goodness that can do wonders for your skin, and you don't need to be a skincare expert to use it. First, honey is a natural humectant. That means it draws moisture into your skin and helps lock it in. So if you're someone who deals with dry patches, flaky skin, or that tight feeling after washing your face, honey might just be your new best friend. It keeps your skin hydrated without clogging pores. You can literally apply a thin layer of raw honey to your face, leave it on like a mask for 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse it off. Boom. Instant softness. But that's not all. Honey also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. This is huge if you struggle with acne, redness, or irritation. It helps clean your skin gently, kills acne-causing bacteria, and even soothes inflamed areas. Some people even use it as a spot treatment for pimples, and it actually works without being harsh like chemical creams. There's more. Honey is rich in antioxidants, which help fight free radicals. That basically means it protects your skin from damage and helps slow down the signs of aging. We're talking fewer fine lines, more even skin tone, and that healthy, youthful glow we all want. It won't erase wrinkles overnight, but over time, using honey regularly can really improve skin texture and brightness. Now, not all honey is created equal. If you're going to try this, go for raw or organic honey, especially Manuka honey if you can find it. Those types are less processed and retain more of their healing properties. Just make sure to do a patch test first if you have sensitive skin. Oh, and don't forget, it's not just about face masks. Some people add honey to their DIY scrubs, mix it with oatmeal, or combine it with lemon for a natural glow boost. The possibilities are simple and effective, and most importantly, gentle on your skin. So the next time your skin needs a little love, don't rush to the store. Just look in your kitchen. Honey isn't just sweet, it's seriously skin smart. Try it for yourself and let your natural glow do the talking.